engine number 9 going down the going down Chicago line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back?
Very nice. After you won, here you go.
Engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back?
You get to pick a color. I've got blue, green, and purple.
Purple.
Purple. Good. So, where did you pat? Where did you pat? Say the poem again. Let's see if you figure it out. We'll do it a little bit different tempo.
Engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back?
Okay. I'll do the first one. Is that right? Practice it. Let's see if that's right.
Engine number 9,
Okay. Let's see if we can figure this one out.
going down Chicago
Okay,
line.
who knows where it goes? Since you're right here, go for it. Let's see if he gets it right. Going down Chicago line. Is that right?
Yes.
Let's see if it's right. Say it, let's practice. Ready, go.
Going down Chicago line.
Is that right? Okay, let's say the third one. Here you go.
If the train should jump the track.
Okay, we can do it. Tina? Should jump the track. There you go. All right, let's do all 3 lines and we'll figure out the last one. Ready? Go.
Engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back?
Okay, who can do the last line? Alex, come on up. Good luck. Good. There you go. Good. Let's do it again. 1, 2, the whole thing, go.
Engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back?
Good. Good. Very nice. How many syllables in engine?
2.
So the sticks are the syllables. There are 2 there. And there's another engine. And then there's number and 9. But we have 2 sounds for 1 pulse. We're just going to connect them. I'm just going to connect them. Do you remember what those rhythms are called? Do you remember what they're called? What are those called? What are these called?
TT.
Okay, so let's say the words engine, number 9, then our music words. Ready? Go.
Engine number 9, T-T-T-T-T-T-ta.
Good, good. How many syllables for this beat?
2.
So what am I going to put?
TT.
Good. This is really tough. How many syllables? Down shit.
2.
Right. So if you have a 2-syllable word, this confuses kids a lot. 2-syllable words usually work, but this one's kind of odd. What about this?
TT.
So what am I going to write?
TT.
Okay. Okay. Tell me about the third line. So the first line is T-T-T-T-T-T-ta. T-T-T-T-T-T-ta. If the train should jump the track.
It's the same line.
It's the same thing. What about the last one? It's the same thing. Okay. Good. And that's our 5-minute lesson. That's 5 minutes. So how did I start it?
You had volunteers read it.
I had volunteers read it, and we did that last time. So it could be a visual. So the first lesson that we did, there are no visuals. It's all on me. I've got to know that poem inside and out and what I want to do with it. This one was different. So what was my goal? We're good.